Hello, guys. As you know, we have started already a good initiative for all of you, not only the one who is trying to learn the English language, but all of you who don't know, and if you know but you don't remember. So, we have right now the solution for all of you that you will remember the meaning and the terminology in medical and in every single subject object, and you will never forget such type of most important word meaning from your mind, because we have the picture with word meaning. So let's go. Anatomy, the study of the structure and the organization of the body and its all parts. Physiology, the study of how the body functions and its various systems work. Diagnosis, the identification or determination of a medical condition or diseases. Symptom, a subjective indication of a disease or condition experienced by the patient by you. Sign, an objective indication of a disease or condition that can be observed or measured. Treatment, medical care or interventions aimed at improving or curing a health condition. Prescription, a written order for medication, therapy or treatment given by a healthcare provider, means doctor. Prognosis, a prediction of the expected course and outcome of a disease. Infection, the invasion of microorganisms such as bacteria, viruses that can harm your body. Virus, a microorganism that requires a host cell to produce, means reproduce, and can cause diseases. Bacteria, microscopic organism that can be both helpful and harmful to your body. Vaccine, a biological preparation that stimulates the body's immune system to provide immunity against a specific disease. Surgery, medical procedure involving incisions, removal or repair of tissues or organs. Anesthesia, the use of drugs or techniques to prevent pain during surgery or medical procedures. Radiology, the branch of medicine that uses imaging techniques such as X-rays, CT scans and MRIs to diagnose and treat diseases. Cancer, a group of diseases characterized by uncontrolled cell growth and potential to invade or spread to other parts of the body. Cardiology, the study and the treatment of heart-related conditions and diseases. Neurology, the study of nervous system and its disorders, including the brain and the spinal cord. Pediatrics, the branch of medicine that focused on the care and the treatment of children. Obstetrics, the branch of medicine dealing with pregnancy, childbirth and the postpartum period. Gynecology, the medical specialty focusing on the female reproductive system. Psychiatry, who perform the psychiatry is called the psychiatrist. So it is the branch of medicine that deals with the diagnosis, treatment and the prevention of mental illness. Orthopedics, the medical specialty that deals with the musculoskeletal system including bones, joints and muscles. Oncology, the study and the treatment of cancer is called oncology. Hematology, the branch of medicine that focused on blood and the blood related disorder. Endocrinology, the study of the hormones and the endocrine system. Pulmonology, the study and the treatment of lung and the respiratory diseases, is called pulmonology. Nephrology, the branch of medicine that deals with the kidney diseases, is called a nephrology.